Hi kids, good morning. New week, fresh beginning with the same enthusiasm. Shall we move on to our next session in English? Section 3 Reading. Read this section in pairs. Read with me now. The hard-working and the passionate people always chase their dream and live it. Ilavaragi is one among the many to achieve their dream amidst all odds. A. Irudayaraj. Her father was a district level champion in Carom. His dream shattered since his family did not encourage and support him. He was determined to achieve his dream through her daughter. He used to put her daughter on the carom board while she listened to the sounds of striker and coins. When she was 2 years old, he would carry her with him to the tournaments. He played with friends at local clubs. Her father began coaching her when she was around 5. One day, her father called for a match and she won that match, which gave her confidence. The confidence led her to win. Her victories included the Asia Cup and SARC Cup and the World Championship. Irudayaraj, a fish cart driver who transports materials like pipes to make a living for his family, a wife and 3 daughters. They have lived in a small one-room apartment in Vyasapadi, Chennai. Is not enough to accommodate the family. The trophies she has won over the years are too many, and her home is just not big enough to keep them. The trophies left over after filling the space under the bed were given to the neighbors and relatives. Financing the trips has always been a big trouble. Though she has been playing for the state for almost 14 years, still she says, victories follow me. Ilavaragi is a member of the Tiruvallur District Carom Association and also represented India at the Carom World Championships, Asian Championships. Achievements: 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France. Women's single title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championship in Visakhapatnam 2009. Women's single title in the 37th National Carom Championship in Chennai 2008. 13th SARC Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009. The 2-time SARC Carom Championship Women's Single title in 2009. World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was the 2010 Championship in the US, where she secured the first place in singles and doubles. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver, and 12 are bronze medals won in the national competitions. She has won 111 gold, 9 and 5 bronze medals in international tournaments. Her hobby of playing carom took her to the level of world champion. Let's get back to our lesson. So in this session, we are going to see about Ilavaragi. She is the carom champion. First, let us see about his father, Irudayaraj. He is also a district level champion, but his dream is not fulfilled. Why? Because he didn't get proper encouragement and support from their family, from his family, like what you are getting now. Now you are getting everything from your family, right? So this man, he did not get support from his family. So what he thought was to achieve this through his daughter. So he made her daughter to listen to the sounds of the strikers and coins. When she was 2 years old, he took her to the tournaments. He played with the local clubs, no? So he took her to the tournaments. And he began coaching her when she was around 5 years old. After this, one day he called for a match. He called his daughter for a match and she won that match, which gave her confidence. Only if we do something right we can get confidence. No. So like that, when she won the match, she got that confidence. This confidence led her to win. Her victories, everything came out from the confidence she had. All this victory included Asia Cup, SAR Cup and even the World Championship. Now let us see about her family. His father is Iridayaraj, which you already know. So he is a fish cart driver, which means a three-wheeled vehicle. He transported materials like pipes to make his living. He had a family with a wife and 3 daughters, and they live only in a small one-room apartment in Vyasarpadi, Chennai. And do you think it will be enough for them to live? No, it is not enough for them. The trophies she won was too many and her home is not even big enough to keep them. So what they did? They kept all the trophies under the bed, and after filling them, they have given the remaining trophies to their neighbors and relatives. And financing. So when she has to go through a long distance, this financing is becoming a big trouble for her. And she has been playing for the state for almost 14 years. She will just say, victories follow me. That is her determination. She, Ilavaragi, is a member of Tiruvallur District Carom Association, and also she is representing India at the Carom World Championships and Asian Championships. Now let us take a look at her achievements. She has won the 5th World Carom Champion 2008 in France. Women's single title at the 38th Senior National Carom Championship in Visakhapatnam 2009. Women's single title in the 37th National Carom Championship in Chennai 2008. 13th SARC Carom Championship Women's Doubles with Rashmi Kumari in 2009. The 2-time SARC Carom Championship Women's single title in 2009. World Cup winner in 2006, and the next was the 2010 championship in the US, where she secured the first place in both singles as well as doubles. Just look at her medal counts. She holds 260 medals, out of which 106 are gold, 17 are silver and 12 are bronze. These are the medals which she won in the national level competition. When moving on to the international tournaments, she has won 1 level gold medals, 9 and 5 bronze medals in the international tournaments. So we should take her as a perfect example, and when we are following our hobby, just think how it can be changed to do something else in which we can achieve something. Here she just took playing carom as a hobby, and this took her to the level of world champion. Now let us take a look at the glossaries of the session. Passionate, showing strong feelings. Passionate, showing strong feelings. Accommodate, sufficient space for. Accommodate, sufficient space for. Trophies, a decorative cup given as a token of victory. Trophies, a decorative cup given as a token of victory. Shattered, break, damaged or destroyed. Shattered, break, damage or destroyed. Okay, this is all I have for this session. Complete your assignment and submit it to me before 6 p.m. in the evening. Thank you. Bye.